Welcome to this video. My name is Vicente Dennis and I'm from AGM Tech Plus. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create an NFT website from scratch. You can see this is a very fully functional NFT website, and you can see the website has a very good design. So if you have been thinking of how you can create an NFT website, then this is the perfect video for you. So this particular NFT website has all the features you can think of. It has an about page where you can write anything about your NFT. You can give it more information and all the rest. Just anything you will find in a typical site. Then we also have that of the login where the user can log in and access their account after they have created an account in order to make deposits or just basically have control over the NFTs that they have bought from your site. We also have that of the register page. And the register page is just simple. It's just the page where they can create an account if they are a new user. After creating a new account, then they'll be able to manage the NFTs they are going to buy. Then also, we also have the aspect of the admin. So we have an admin page, and this admin page is the part of the website where the admin can control the transactions, and is the part where the admin also can set his own NFT wallet in order to receive payment for any of the NFTs that has been bought on the NFT website. So in order for you to create something like this, all you also have to do is to follow me in this video. And also, in order for you to follow me, I would like you to also do something. I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more interesting videos like this, because we'll be dropping more and more videos like this, and it will not be good if you miss it out. So don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe so that you can also get more value from this video. So in the next video, I'm just going to be showing you how you can do the installation process and also how you would be able to get the scripts. All right, so welcome back to the video. So in this part of the video, like I promised you earlier, I'm going to be doing the installation. Also, I'm going to show you how you would be able to get this particular NFT script. So we have already created the script. All you just have to do is for you to click on the link in the description of this video, and you'll be able to purchase the script there. Or you can basically call us from the number that is in the description of the video, or you can send us a message on WhatsApp. Whichever case, the options are all there for you to make your choice. So in order for you to access the script, you first of all have to have something known as a host, which in this case I'm using Hostinger. So I'm making use of Hostinger. So since I'm making use of Hostinger, I've already bought my host, I've bought my domain, I have bought my hosting. So you have to make sure that you have your domain and your hosting ready first. Now, if you don't have a domain and your hosting, all you have to do is to, if you are going to be using Hostinger like me, you just have to come to the aspect that says domain, search for whichever domain you want to buy. Let's call this NFT, no, create new domain. So we'll call this NFT Gurus 9 or Gurus 90. So now you're going to search for your domain. Okay, Gurus 90, NFT Gurus 90 is available. Now this is just a random name. I'm not buying this. So you just select it and make payment for this. So it's just as simple. You can just say buy, then it will ask you to choose whichever is your billing method, and you just choose it and you just proceed. Then after you have bought your domain, you will also need to have something known as an hosting. So look at this option here. You can just come and choose an hosting plan. So if you are just starting out, you can choose this particular first one. It works fine. But if you're going to be hosting multiple websites, you can go for the second one. So that is just how it is. So these are the major criteria you need in order to launch this NFT website. As long as you have your domain and your hosting, then you are good to go. All right, so let's continue. So when you have successfully selected your domain and your hosting, the next thing you want to do is go and select the particular website that you want to build this particular NFT website in. So when you have done that, just go to your file manager. Now, when you get to your file manager, what you want to do in this aspect is you want to make sure that you come to this part that says public underscore HTML. Then in this case, I've already uploaded the script. Now, the reason why I had to upload the script is because the script is kind of large. It's about 200 MB. So in order for you to upload the script, it's simple. Just click on this particular arrow, this one that is facing up. When you click it, you see this part that says file. Select it. When you select it, go to your where your script is. In my case, this is my script here. This is it. It's about 221 MB. When you click on open, it's now going to start uploading for you. So you just allow it to upload completely. Then this is the database which you are going to be making use of shortly. So now you know how to upload and install it. And in order for you to get access to the script, I've already told you that you will contact me in the WhatsApp number below. All right. So after you have done that, you just have to extract your file inside of the C panel or H panel or whichever one you are using. So in this case, I'm just going to click on tutorial because this is where it is. I have transferred the zip file here. I've already uploaded it here and I've already showed you how you can upload it. So you can go and do it by yourself. So I'll just click here and I would right click. Then I'll go to the option that says extract. I'm just going to put a full stop so to extract with the name and I say extract. So what is going to happen is it's going to extract inside of this particular place. So at this point in time, you can delete your zip file, but I'm not going to delete mine yet until I'm done with the video. So I'm just going to click on this extracted file or folder rather. After I've clicked on it, you just have to click on one of your files, then press Ctrl A in order to highlight everything. Then you see this option that says move file. Yeah, you click on it. Then you choose this one that has like two dots and you click move. So why am I doing this? I'm doing this so that I can move the file to the folder that I want it to be. All right, so now that I've moved our file, let's try to access it. All right, so let's try to access it. All right, so this is our website and we have successfully uploaded the script. So when you first upload the script, this is just how it's going to look like. So after when we have done this, all we just have to do is make modifications and configurations. Now, this is just how it's going to look like. So, for example, if your user wants to like log in, you'll see it's going to show them a blank page. Now, the reason why it's showing them a blank page is because we have not configured the database. Even if they want to register, it's still going to show them the same thing. So at this point in time, what we have to do is to configure our database. Now, how do we configure our database? Configuring our database is simple. All we just have to do is come to this folder, look for the file that says con, that is con.php. Click on it. After you have clicked on it, you will see the part where you will see a database details in line 4. Just click on it. So now what we are going to do at this point in time or at this junction is we are going to create our database credentials. So let's come to our hosting and let's come to database. Now when we are in database, what we are going to do is we're going to create a new database and I'll just call this database tutorial. So I'll use it for both the name and the username. Then I'm going to set a password. So I'm just going to use this particular one, then create. So why am I doing this? I'm doing this so that our information can be saved. So I'm going to copy, remember I've copied the password already. So I'll come here to this middle one. The middle one is for password and paste it. You see, make sure you don't touch this apostrophes, otherwise your application is going to have an error. So I have updated the password now. So the next thing I will do is I will take the database name, which is this one here, copy it and take it back to the con folder and no, okay, sorry, didn't copy. All right. So I'll come here and paste it here. The same thing I will also do for the database name. So this one here, this one and this one, they are both database name and database username. In my case, I just prefer to use the same name for both the database and also for the database user. After you have done that, all you have to do is just click save. Now, after you have clicked save, now we'll come back to our website, and if I click login, you will see we would be able to access the login page. Okay, now the reason why we will not be able to access the login page yet is because we need to upload the database. That's the last step you need to do when it comes to the installation. So I'll click back on my hostinger, then I'll click this aspect that says enter my PHP admin. Now when I do this, what is going to happen is I would be able to go and get the database. I'll be here now. I've accessed the database. So what I just have to do is click on this aspect that says import. Now, after I click on this aspect that says import, I'll need to click on this part that says choose file. Then I'll come here, which is this my database file, choose it and upload. Now, after I have done this, all I have to just say is import. What is going to happen is it will import my database credentials for me. Now, after importing these database credentials, it's going to be like this. It's going to have this amount of tables. So if you go back to refresh, you should be able to access the login page now. All right, nice. You see, we can now access the login page. Now, if you try to access that of the admin also, so if you want to access the admin, it is your domain/admin. So you can see we can access the admin page also. So now let me go to my database. In order for you to have access your admin credentials, let's say you don't know it or something, just come to this aspect that says admin, click on admin. After I click on admin, go to the option, click on this aspect that says edit. Now you can see this place. You can also update your admin wallet's address from here, from the database. You can just copy it and paste here and save. You can do it from here, but you can also do it from the application as well. But what I'm mostly interested in now is the email and the password. Look at them here. So you can just come here and copy your admin credentials and come and like paste them. So the password, default password is admin123. But in case the details are changed or something, all you just have to do is come to this aspect that I just mentioned, and you will be able to update it. You can also update the password here and change it to something else. So after you have done that, you just click on sign in. Now, what do you see? Voila. So you can see this is just the aspect or the process in order to install the NFT script. Now, you see those admin wallets and all the rest. You can now come here and update the Ethereum address. You can add everything that you needed to add. You can add the API keys. You can add as many things that you need to add. So that is just how this particular script works. So that is just how you can install it. You can see you have the option to like create an NFT, put the NFT name, put the NFT price, and upload the pictures. So these are just the options that you have. All right, so let's try to like access a user's account. So let me go to users. So we have this particular user. Let's say, for example, okay, the password is 111. All right, so let's access a user account this time around before we call it a day in the tutorial so that you could have a feel of how the user section is. So I'll just go to login, then I'll go and copy these details. Same thing is for if, for example, you want to see the password of your users, you can just come here and just take a look at them. So we'll replace any detail that is in the input box with these ones that are here. Now, in this one, to ask you to put a reCAPTCHA code, you just go and fill in the code that you see. So 236810, and you just click on login. So yeah, so this is it now. You can see, look at the wallet balance of the user, look at the gas fee, and look at all the stuff. And you can see that it has the option to like that says buy. You can now select and you can now say pay and all the rest. So that is just how this particular thing works. That is just how it works. So you also have the option like the NFT marketplace where they will see lots and lots of NFTs. They can put this, can say pay. You just wait for it to load. All right, so that is just how it is. You can see the different features that they have. They have the option to like resell their NFT. They have the option to like deposit. So you can see the amount of deposit. You can use this in order to deposit. You can choose the type of deposit they want to deposit. So whichever method at all they choose, they would always be able to see now. And here you see that your Ethereum address now. So make sure you update this address, please. Make sure you update the address. Anytime you install the script, make sure you update the address. In fact, you can even, when you have installed the script, you can even come and do this for the first time. Let's say, for example, you come to the admin side, you can come and empty this entire place. You see this place, you can just delete everything from here first before you like proceed. In the admin aspect, just delete everything. You can leave this other one. Yeah, you can leave this other one. So just make sure you empty everything there and update all the information, especially your wallet address. Do not forget to update that. So that is just it for this particular video. I hope you gain value, and do not forget to subscribe like I said, because we'll be dropping more videos. We'll be dropping more videos on forex trading scripts, online banks, and more brokers. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can gain more value as time goes on. So I hope to see you in the next video, and do not forget to also share this video to those people that might need it, those your friends, those your colleagues, and all the rest. So that'll be it for this, and I hope you find value. I'll see you in the next video.